assists in digestion and soothes the digestive system. Yes, it is curd. Let's begin to make the curd.
Hello everyone, welcome to Hobby Concepts, and this is Raj.
Take a saucepan and pour milk in it. I've used 2.5% fat milk. Let it boil. Reduce the flame and allow it to boil for few more seconds. Switch off the flame and keep it aside. Let the milk cool down a little. You can directly start with the making of curd, but we prefer the curd to be without any cream. So I discard the cream from the milk. In a bowl, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of curd and beat it to get a smooth texture. You can use a spoon or a fork. Let's check the temperature of the milk. It should be hot, but you should be able to touch the saucepan of the milk. This should be good enough. Now, pour the milk to the curd mixture. Mix it very well. You can also pour the milk from the bowl to the saucepan 2 or 3 times just for the curd to get mixed well. Now, place a lid and keep it untouched overnight at the kitchen counter, or if the weather is very cold, like where I stay, it is snowing tonight. Then you can keep it inside the oven on the bottom shelf. No need to start the oven. Now, the next day, remove it from the oven. You can see that the curd is ready. You can use it right away, but if you want it to be thick, you can refrigerate it for about 2 to 3 hours. After showing it to you, I have refrigerated it. You can see it is got slightly thick. If you keep it in the refrigerator untouched, then your curd would be more thick than this one. Because I have removed the curd once before refrigerating it, this curd is not thick enough.
That's all for today from Hobby Concepts. Hope you all liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until next time, live, love, relax, and enjoy your life. Take care.